In recent years, the term metaverse has emerged as a buzzword in the tech industry, sparking both excitement and curiosity. Often associated with virtual reality and augmented reality, the metaverse is poised to disrupt and reshape various aspects of our lives, and one of the areas it promises to revolutionize is education. Today in Software's Land, we will explore how the metaverse is going to shape the future of education. Traditional classrooms have long been the cornerstone of education, but the metaverse is set to redefine this concept entirely. In a metaverse-driven educational environment, physical classrooms and geographical barriers become irrelevant. Students and teachers from all corners of the globe can come together in virtual spaces, breaking down the limitations of traditional education. Imagine a virtual classroom where students can interact with peers and instructors, not as faceless usernames, but as fully realized avatars. These avatars can attend lectures, engage in discussions, and collaborate on projects just like in a physical classroom. This immersive experience fosters a sense of community, making learning more engaging and inclusive. One of the most promising aspects of the metaverse in education is its potential to provide personalized learning experiences. Traditional education often follows a one-size-fits-all approach, leaving some students struggling to keep up, while others get bored due to a lack of challenge. The metaverse, on the other hand, can adapt to individual learning styles and paces. Through advanced AI algorithms and data analysis, the metaverse can tailor education content and activities to suit each student's unique needs. For instance, a student struggling with math can receive additional virtual tutoring, while a student excelling in literature can access advanced reading materials. This personalized approach maximizes learning outcomes and ensures that no one is left behind. The metaverse isn't limited to text-based or video lectures. It can offer immersive, hands-on learning experiences that were previously impossible in traditional classrooms. For example, medical students can perform virtual surgeries. History students can walk through historically accurate simulations of ancient civilizations, and aspiring architects can design virtual buildings. These interactive simulations provide students with practical skills and a deeper understanding of complex subjects. By allowing learners to experiment and make mistakes in a risk-free virtual environment, the metaverse promotes active learning and problem-solving skills. In an increasingly interconnected world, the ability to collaborate with individuals from diverse backgrounds is a vital skill. The metaverse facilitates global collaboration like never before. Students can work on projects with peers from different countries, gaining insights into different cultures and perspectives. This global collaboration not only enriches the educational experience, but also prepares students for the globalized workforce. They learn to navigate cultural differences, communicate effectively, and work as part of international teams, all of which are highly valuable skills in today's job market. Education doesn't stop after graduation, and the metaverse recognizes this fact. Lifelong learning is crucial in a rapidly evolving world, and the metaverse makes it more accessible than ever. Whether you're a professional looking to upskill or a retiree exploring new interests, the metaverse offers a wide range of courses and experiences to cater to all age groups. In summary, the metaverse is poised to reshape the future of education by redefining the classroom, providing personalized learning, offering hands-on experiences, fostering global collaboration, and promoting lifelong learning. While there are challenges and ethical considerations to address, the potential benefits are undeniable. As the metaverse continues to evolve, it holds the promise of making education more accessible, engaging, and effective for learners of all ages and backgrounds. The future of education is virtual, and the metaverse is leading the way.